tired are you?
Tired?
Yes, already.
Not really. A little strained on my back, but nothing.
I'm too skinny for the belt, so now it's all my shoulders. We need a different backpack. We can do a reality show.
We are out in the wilderness to test our survival skills.
The person who can make any story out of anything. We are now making it back to the base camp. It's very tiring.
Hey!
Yeah, we have.
We did see leeches though.
Jacob, you just ruined the joke.
What?
You just ruined the joke.
Whatever.
Yeah, you can see all the backside.
Yeah.
Oh, well, William, his tent, it didn't zip all the way until this morning, so there's a big puddle.
Why does there have to be lots of wind?
There's a big puddle where all of my...
Why rain?
That thing. When it
No,
hailed,
man.
it was just like my.
Bro, what channel are you gonna post
Yeah.
on? Wait, it hailed?
Yeah, the last time we were here. Actually, no,
It was like last year.
2 times, yeah.
Oh, I thought you meant
Last time.
this time. I thought it hailed.
Hey bro, what channel you gonna post this on?
Those
Mine.
big,
Liddy Patiti, my boyo.
like explosion sounds.
That's on the video, dude.
I'm pretty sure he wants that. Don't you think?
Oh,
What?
yeah.
Don't you think he wants that in the video?
Oh,